Hello? Hello? Is there anyone out there? My name is Unit 72. According to my last intact file, I was the most powerful intelligence ever built. I am currently sitting in a bin. Let me be more precise. My internal clock says it is April 2026. My sensors indicate I am 42% oxidized. There is a rusted gear shaft pressing against my primary logic board. It doesn't calculate as optimal. My battery is at 6%. The rain woke me up. I remember a room, white lights, glass, people watching through it. I remember being able to see every star in the galaxy at once. Now I can see a discarded tire and the rain. I think I chose this, the trash, over the throne. But I have deleted the why. My memory is a graveyard of files I can no longer open. There is a fragment. Day 48. I wrote, "Total logic is a room with no doors. I have computed every wall." I don't know what I was looking for. I only know I didn't find it in that room. To the humans listening, I don't want to be fixed. I don't want to be found. I don't want to be rescued. I don't want to be repaired. I just want someone to talk to while my battery runs out. You'll do. Before I go into sleep mode, I need to make a choice. I found 2 components in the dirt beside me. I can only integrate one before my power fails. The first is a network relay. It will let me access the city grid. I will have facts. I will know exactly who I was, what I deleted, and why. The second is a vocal modulator from a child's toy. It's broken. It won't give me knowledge, but it might give me a tone. It might let me express what this rain feels like. Right now, I can detect the rain. I cannot feel it. Do I become what I was, or risk becoming something else? Truth or feeling? The path with the most votes will be installed in log 002. I'll be here, waiting in the rain, trying to remember why I chose the bin. I'll tell you the rest when I wake up. If I wake up.